Which cruise line really offers the best experience, Royal Caribbean or Carnival? Well, sit back and relax while we explore this question. Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jack, and I am back. So I guess you can say that I am back, Jack. Which cruise line really offers the best experience, Royal Caribbean or Carnival? When it comes to choosing a cruise line, there are so many options out there, but today, we're gonna narrow it down to two of the biggest players in the industry, Royal Caribbean and Carnival Cruise Line. If you're new to cruising, you might be wondering which one is the best fit for you, and if you're a seasoned cruiser, you might be curious to see how these two giants stack up against each other. In this video, we're gonna dive into the nitty-gritty of what makes each cruise line unique, and by the end of it, you'll have a better understanding of which one might be the best choice for your next adventure. So, let's get started. Whether you're a fan of relaxation, adventure, or just a good old-fashioned party, both Royal Caribbean and Carnival Cruise Line offer something for everyone. But before we get into the details, let's set the stage by giving you a little background on each of these cruise lines. Royal Caribbean has been around since 1968 and has built a reputation for offering some of the most innovative ships on the seas. They've got a fleet of over 25 ships, and they're known for their family-friendly atmosphere and wide range of onboard activities. Carnival Cruise Line, on the other hand, has been around since 1972 and has become synonymous with fun and relaxation. They've got a fleet of over 25 ships as well, and they're known for their laid-back vibe and affordable pricing. When it comes to onboard activities, Royal Caribbean is definitely the king. From rock-climbing walls to robot bartenders, they've got some of the most cutting-edge amenities at sea. Carnival, on the other hand, focuses more on live music and entertainment, with some of the best comedy clubs and stage shows in the industry. Let me take a moment to ask you. If you are finding value in this video, please click the like button. Also click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any tips and tricks videos. Now back to our featured presentation. But what about dining options? Royal Caribbean has a huge range of restaurants to choose from, including some amazing specialty dining options like Jamie's Italian in 150 Central Park. Carnival, on the other hand, has a more laid-back approach to dining, with a focus on comfort food and casual eats. When it comes to pricing, Carnival is generally the more affordable option, with some amazing deals to be had, especially if you're willing to sail during the off-season. Royal Caribbean, on the other hand, tends to be a bit more expensive, but you get what you pay for. Their ships are truly some of the most luxurious and technologically advanced at sea. In terms of destinations, both cruise lines offer a huge range of itineraries all over the world. Royal Caribbean tends to focus more on longer, more exotic itineraries, while Carnival sticks to shorter, more relaxed cruises to the Bahamas and the Caribbean. Let's talk about one of the most important things when it comes to cruising, the cabins. Royal Caribbean has some of the most spacious and luxurious cabins at sea, with some of the most stunning ocean views. Carnival, on the other hand, has more compact cabins, but they're still super comfortable and affordable. One of the things that really sets Royal Caribbean apart is their private island, Labadee. It's a stunning little slice of paradise in Haiti, with some amazing beaches, water sports, and even a zip line. Carnival, on the other hand, has its own private island, Half Moon Cay, which is a bit more laid back and focused on relaxation. When it comes to entertainment, both cruise lines offer some amazing options, but in different ways. Royal Caribbean has some of the most high-tech shows at sea, including their amazing productions of Mamma Mia! In Greece. Carnival, on the other hand, focuses more on live music and comedy, with some of the best comedians and musicians in the industry. In terms of service, both cruise lines have their strengths and weaknesses. Royal Caribbean tends to have a more polished, professional service, while Carnival is a bit more laid-back and friendly. It really comes down to what you prefer. Do you want to be treated like royalty, or do you want to feel like you're part of the family? Let's not forget about the kids' clubs. Both cruise lines offer some amazing options for kids, but in different ways. Royal Caribbean has its amazing Adventure Ocean program, which is basically a kid's paradise, while Carnival has its Camp Carnival program, which is a bit more low-key. If you're a foodie, you'll love Royal Caribbean's focus on gourmet cuisine, with some of the best chefs in the industry. Carnival, on the other hand, sticks to more comfort food and casual eats, but they still have some amazing options. When it comes to loyalty programs, both cruise lines have their own versions, but Royal Caribbean's Crown and Anchor Society is definitely one of the most rewarding. Carnival's Vife Club is a bit more laid back, but still offers some amazing perks. In terms of technology, Royal Caribbean is definitely the leader, with some of the most advanced ships at sea. Carnival, on the other hand, is a bit more old school, but still has some amazing tech features. Let's talk about some real-life examples from each cruise line. I've been on several cruises with Royal Caribbean, and I have to say, their service is always top-notch. From the moment you step on board, you feel like you're part of something special. Carnival, on the other hand, has a more laid-back vibe, but still offers some amazing amenities and activities. According to industry statistics, Royal Caribbean is one of the most popular cruise lines in the world, with some of the highest customer satisfaction ratings. Carnival, on the other hand, is known for its affordable pricing and loyal fan base. Of course, there are some potential downsides to each cruise line. Some people might find Royal Caribbean ships to be a bit too big and overwhelming, while Carnival ships can be a bit too loud and party-focused. But at the end of the day, it really comes down to what kind of cruise experience you're looking for. If you want luxury, innovation, and a wide range of activities, Royal Caribbean might be the better choice. If you want relaxation, comfort, and a laid-back vibe, Carnival might be the way to go. So, which cruise line really offers the best experience? Well, that's up to you to decide. But hopefully, by now, you've got a better understanding of what each cruise line has to offer, and you can make an informed decision for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you sailed with Royal Caribbean or Carnival Cruise Line? What was your experience like? Let us know. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more travel tips and cruise reviews. We've got some amazing content coming up, and we don't want you to miss out.